Hey, I hope you're all really good. I've had a very nice relaxed day today, but something very exciting happened today and I got a couple of parcels. So I thought I'd do a little vlog for you on my unboxing of it, because this one in particular, very exciting, has come all the way from Hudson Yards in New York. So thank you very much, Ali, for sending this exciting parcel. So let's get into it. So, whoop whoop, SOCOLOR Cult. Welcome to SOCOLOR Cult. So these are the first formula batches in, and I am really excited and very lucky to be getting them all the way from New York. So let's have a look what we've got in here. Let's put this box down. So, because they are new, they're not in their proper packaging yet. So when you guys eventually get your hands on these, you will get them properly looking all fancy. But for the time being, I just get to play around with them. So we've got a red, lovely, lots of nice reds. So they'll be really good fun. What do we have in this one? So this is the semi-permanent clover green. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna be like obsessed with this. I love myself a green. Very, very nice. Squeeze it out a little bit. Oh yeah, it looks good. Gonna have to have a play with my new blonde hair, aren't I? What do we have in this bit? We have another semi-permanent royal purple. That sounds exciting. God, there's so many exciting colours. This bit. Lucky Duck Yellow. Oh my god, yellow is such a huge colour. This is going to be extremely exciting, and we can also intermix them so we can kind of make that green a little bit more intense with the yellow, which would be really cool. Admiral Navy. Very, very nice. I can imagine this is quite a rich one. Oh yeah, that looks really good. You can't really see on the video, that's why I'm not showing you. Oh my god, I've got 3 more colours in here. Let's have a look what this lot is. Oh, I've done it upside down. Sweet Mint. Oh yes, I'm all over that. I think I'm going to have to put that on my hair tonight. That's going to be really cool. I like a bit of mint. Hendrix, I don't know if you can see from there. He's got all involved, he's loving it all. A little bit of bubble wrap and he's there. Dusty Blue, very, very nice. Let's have the last one. Dusty Purple, oh nice. Gonna do some cool colour mounts with them. Dusty Blue into a Dusty Purple, that would be really cool. So that is extremely exciting. I can't wait to start playing with these. I've got a blonde wig ready to have some SOCOLOR Cult put on, so that's very cool. But that wasn't the only exciting thing that I got sent today. I've also finally got my hands on the Biolage RAW styling stuff. So this is really, really cool. I've been very excited by this. And we finally have a curl cream. Yes! I just find so many companies at the moment are just getting rid of curl creams in the UK. It's massively needed. So we've got a Biolage RAW curl defining styling butter with cocoa. Oh my god, it looks like a dessert. And it's nice because it's not got like a really intense smell, so that's really cool. What's this one? This is a bodifying styling jelly and it's got lemon in it. Oh, that's a nice texture. And that smells really nice. I don't know if you can see, I don't want to like tip it out, but it's kind of got like a gentle wobble to it, so that's going to be really cool to play with. And then we've got a couple of sprays. So we've got a texturizing styling spray, and this has got matcha green tea in it, and I am a massive matcha green tea fan. Let's have a little spritz of this. Oh, it's really light. Actually really light. That's really, really nice. So this is genuinely the first time I'm getting to see and play with these, which is really exciting to show you guys this. And then we've got a frizz control styling spray, and this has got lavender. Oh my god, yeah. And this is 99% natural origin. It's got no silicones and no parabens. So for all you vegans and kind of, oh my god, that smells insane. Everyone that wants to be a little bit more wholesome, authentic, this Biolage RAW is going to be right up your street. Really cool, so I can't wait to start playing and styling with these. So you'll have to keep watching my Instagram account because I'll be posting all the looks that I'll be doing. I'm just going to rub all of this off. So they are my new exciting parcels that I received today, and I can't wait to start showcasing to you all the really cool colours from the SOCOLOR Cult, so that then you guys eventually will get your hands on them. And the raw styling, oh my god, so excited by that. So you will be seeing all the way through all the way through February. I will be playing and really getting my hands dirty with this raw styling. And I also start the Voice Kids tomorrow, so they are going straight in my session bag tonight, ready to have a play on everyone's hair. Cool, I will see you soon.